10 minus 1, which is 9, and 10 minus 1, which is 9. Then 9 times 9, which equals to 81. Okay, but this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation, parenthesis is first. We have to do parenthesis, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. Okay, then here in our case there is one subtraction in parenthesis, okay, and here is a multiplication. Okay, so we need to do first parenthesis and multiplication, and finally we need to subtract. Okay, but if we subtract before parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, so let's we do first parenthesis 10 minus 1, which is 9. Then here is times, here is 10 minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 1 times 9. Okay, here is one subtraction and one multiplication. Okay, so we need to multiply numbers. We need to multiply numbers before subtraction. Okay, according to the PEMDAS, we need to multiply. Okay, multiplication is first here. So here 1 times 9, which is 9, then 10 minus 9. Okay, then 10 minus 9, which equals to what? This is our correct answer. Okay, therefore 10 minus 1, and in parenthesis 10 minus 1, which equals to 1. This is our final answer.